In this video, I will be showing you how to make an infographic in Napkin AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the blank Napkin option to start with a clean slate. Once the editor opens, I'll enter my title and paste in the 5 pillars of digital productivity. After my text is in place, I'll hover over the paragraphs to find the blue generated visual icon on the left. Clicking this opens the AI suggestions panel, where the tool begins creating various layout options based on my text. I can scroll through these suggestions or browse different categories like mind maps, processes, and timelines to find the perfect structure. I'll explore the various categories to see which visual metaphor fits my content best. Once I pick a style, I can even see more design variations and similar visuals to find the exact look I'm after. Now that I've selected a design, I can start editing the visual. I'll select the text to change the font style to and adjust the size and color for better hierarchy. To customize things further, I'll click the Ungroup button, which lets me move and edit every element individually. I'll wrap things up by adjusting the opacity and brightness of the icons and changing the color of the circles to fit my specific theme. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making an infographic in Napkin AI.